The world today learns why Katappa killed Bahubali. Yes, as S.S. Rajamouli's magnum opus releases in over 9,000 screens across the world, with 6,500 screens in India and over 1,100 screens in the United States. Well, the first show in Delhi of Bahubali 2 has ended, and as you can see, it's phenomenal. It was a 9 a.m. show, and yet it's houseful. People are coming out, streaming out. How was the movie?
Extremely nice.
Yeah. You better than the first part?
Yeah, better than the first part.
You got the answer, the much-awaited answer.
Yeah.
Why Katappa killed Bahubali?
Yeah, I got it.
Are you happy with the answer?
Yeah. Everything.
How's the movie?
Nice movie.
Better than the first one?
Yeah.
Let's go and ask some more people now. Movie kaisi thi?
बढ़िया थे यार. Funny.
How was the movie?
Awesome.
Was it
Awesome,
better
excellent.
than the first part?
दोनों better है. Excellent.
2 साल का वेट था, 2 साल worth it?
काफी अच्छा लगा, काफी अच्छी मूवी थी. पैसे वसूल मतलब.
सारे जवाब मिल गए आपको?
Yeah.
All the answers from the first part?
Exactly.
But
And
was
too good.
But was it worth the wait? 2 years you waited for this movie.
It was totally worth the wait because the animation and total length of the movie was too good and graphics were awesome.
People just streaming out. You can just imagine what the occupancy of this show was. How was the movie?
It was brilliant.
How was the acting? Prabhas, Rana.
They were awesome. It's awesome. Yeah.
Best part क्या लगा movie में? Action?
VFX effects were quite awesome.
Effects were quite awesome. Have you got the much-awaited answer? Why Katappa killed Bahubali?
Exactly.
Are you happy with that answer?
Exactly. Yeah. 100%.
Okay. How was the movie?
बहुत अच्छा है.
Enjoy किया आपने?
Yeah, enjoy but interruption it was literally like pathetic.
Too good movie. Too.
Nice. Very nice.
So people, of course, as you can see, really enjoyed the film, got the much-awaited answer, why Katappa killed Bahubali. We won't ask them what the answer was, so otherwise we'll spoil it for the viewers who haven't seen it. But the one question, of course, that everyone's saying is, they've got the answer and they're very happy with the answer. The wait has been worth it. With journalist Birendra Uday Pratap Singh in Delhi, News X.
Well, after watching first day, first show, we see smiles on the faces of people out there. I'm joined by one particular family who has just come out of the theatre watching Bahubali conclusion. So what was the conclusion? Not to be a spoiler, but then how was it about?
It was amazing. I really liked the movie. I mean, the visuals and all, they've improved a lot from the first part. And that's what I can say right now. I don't want to spoil the reason why Katappa killed, but yeah, it was really good reason.
Okay, so reason seems to be very interesting as what we get to know. So it was the first movie wherein question lied, and over here is the answer in the second movie. How you found the second movie?
It's a reasonably good and good answer. How he has killed Bahubali.
How it was to be the person to watch first day, first show?
It was very nice. Picture is very nice. We are happy to see this movie.
Coming to you, sir, you were the person to purchase tickets, and there was, I could see for your whole family, you came out with a sequence of tickets. You financed it, it seems to be. Was it worth?
Yes, it was a very great movie, and it is the Indian best movie I watched today.
Would you like to see it one more time?
Yeah. दोबारा भी देख सकता है. दोबारा तीसरा भी देख सकता है.
So what was a very fascinating thing that you could, see in the movie?
Visuals are very good, and we can compare with the Hollywood movie. The visuals are extraordinary.
And what about the actors and their acting skills?
Anushka, Prabhas.
All Prabhas and the villain Rana and Anushka. Anushka, this part, she's amazing.
I think Anushka and Ramya Krishna. It was amazing. I really liked the movie. I mean, the visuals and all, they have improved a lot from the first part.
It's a reasonably good and good answer. How he has killed Bahubali.
It was very nice. Picture is very nice. We are happy to see this movie.
Yes, it was a very great movie, and it is the Indian best movie.
Too awesome.
Was it worth the wait?
Yeah. Too much.
You got all the answers?
All the answers.
Okay. We won't ask you what it is, but आप खुश हो answer से?
बहुत खुश.
Yeah. Why he killed Katappa? I got the answer. Yeah.
Happy with the answer?
Yeah.
कुछ ट्विस्ट होना चाहिए मूवी में, क्योंकि मूवी बहुत सिंपल गई है, तो फिर ये रहेगा कि इतना पैसा ला के सब लोग देख रहे हैं, तो कुछ अलग होना चाहिए.
Sir, expectations are quite high, and we are excited for the movie because of the visual treat which we are going to get through the movie.
The direction compared to the first part, the second part is much more expected and it is up to the mark. And Prabhas has done really a very good role and he deserves it.
What takes the cake? What is the best moment in the movie?
The best moment is about the twist where Ramya Krishna gives a twist to the why Katappa killed Bahubali.
I already watched the movie and it was very exciting. The director, S.S. Rajamouli ji, has narrated the story in a way like it has soul and the story has strength. The Kirwani Garu, the music director, the Kirwani, it remains the soul of the music, music.
Well, meanwhile, it's